All right. Got the zigzag moving, I think. So we'll thread the top again. Stick the needle in. Bobbin thread popped out, so I'll have to get that back in. There. Okay. Now, fine stitch, wide. Okay, I don't know what stitch this is doing now. Okay. Yeah, I don't. The thread cutter behind the needle is not going. Okay, so the dial is set for... Oh, this dial is off by 1 notch, isn't it? Because that's... This is the setting when I was getting this stitch there. So, if I put... This is supposed to be a scallop stitch, but if it's off by 1, nope, we're getting that stitch again. What about this stitch? Yeah, we're only getting 1 stitch out of this machine. Okay, well that's... Okay, so there's something wrong with the cam selector inside this machine. Which means we're gonna have to get closer up on the bench to get a look at it. I was hoping that since it seemed to have been put away all clean that it might be in ship shape, but yeah, I'll have to look at that. Alright, well, we'll have to get in there and figure out what is up with the cam selector on this machine, because it certainly is not working right now.